Today we're looking into the future of Fortnite, specifically Chapter 2, Season 8, as we're revisiting leaks that seemed apparently random at the time, which are now becoming more and more accurate, which contain information about the next Fortnite season. So much is about to happen in the world of Fortnite. We know we've got the brand new Rift Tour event, Superman's going to be unlocked in just a few weeks' time, and the Season 8 information in this video you do not want to miss. And if you're excited to hear all of this information, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and show this video some support. We're going to be referring back to a leak that happened over several weeks ago and going through each bit to see what is now true and what will be true in the next season. First up, Ariana Grande will be coming soon and will have an in-game concert. This is all but fully confirmed through the Rift Tour event. The Rift Tour event is going to see the colliding of rifts with real-life Ariana Grande, whatever the aliens have been doing on this island since the beginning of the season, coming together for a huge concert event. The countdown is sat in-game. It will be kicking off on August the 6th, could be rewatchable all the way through to August the 8th, and there's even in-game challenges with free rewards that will be unlockable all the way to August the 8th. This means the very first piece of leaked information is a big fat thumbs up. It is accurate and was predicted well ahead of its official announcement. I believe that for the very first time, we're going to see an event that crosses over storylines within Fortnite and an entertainment concert to bring them together to have both exist within the exact same space. Keep an eye on the central UFO that's over the middle of the map near the countdown. This is named the Party UFO, believe it or not, as activation portals are appearing that will give us low gravity, and a rift will appear. We can turn into a prop and get ice effects, no doubt giving us a little hint as to what's going to be happening in this Rift Tour event. As always, make sure you subscribe to see that event, as I'll be live streaming it here on the channel and you won't want to miss it. The next leak, members of the Justice League and Suicide Squad will be added to the game. Well, recently announced is a confirmation of a new Suicide Squad member coming to Fortnite. Check out this trailer.
Bloodsport is coming to the island.
Bloodsport.
He's playing for keeps. Lucky for you, I know this mercenary all too well.
He looks awesome.
Really gonna want to pay attention to this.
Yeah, he's pretty deadly.
Anything, and I mean
anything
he wields is legally considered a deadly weapon.
No, wow.
Just
Superman.
Superman.
Very important.
Guy he put in ICU with a kryptonite bullet.
Jeez, he almost said that Superman.
Specializing in brutality. What did you expect from someone who was trained by their mercenary father since birth?
Wow, he's got a crazy backstory.
What I like best about him is his secret weapon, his high-tech and lethal suit. It allows instant
his suit is awesome.
To all his arsenals of deadly weapons, perfect for your loadout.
He looks really cool.
As Bloodsport when he drops in Fortnite on August 3rd. Boom.
August the 3rd, so this now confirms another leak being correct. A brand new Suicide Squad member from the DC universe added into Fortnite. To get ready, don't forget when you're on the Fortnite item store, popping code ALIA just takes a second and you can get a shout out in my video if you do it. It disappears every 2 weeks, so keep on popping it back in. Thank you for the support. Also, for all of you guys watching right now, I've got a free gift. We've recently launched the ALIA mouse mat. There may not be any left at the time you watch this video. There's a limited number, and someone that picks one up will get to play Fortnite with me, but also added for everyone to download for free on the freebie section of the store is the 3rd limited edition ALIA background for your phones. So make sure you head on over to alia.shop at the end of this video to download your free background, and if there happens to be a mouse mat left, make sure you pick it up, because once they're gone, they're gone. The leak did also mention Justice League, and Wonder Woman is a skin that has been teased by Donald Mustard, the creative lead of Fortnite, for a long time now. There's no official announcement yet at the time of making this video, but I would suspect that Wonder Woman will be coming very soon as well, and as these leaks have been very accurate so far, I suspect it will be soon. Next up, Epic is currently trying to get Naruto for the Season 8 Battle Pass. It will also include explosive kunai weaponry as well. Now, Naruto was seen within the official documents of Epic versus Apple lawsuit, where we've already had many leaks, including LeBron James, Ariana Grande herself, and Naruto is in those documents too. It seems like it could be a tight squeeze to get Naruto in the next season battle pass, but they're trying to do it, and is our first look into the far future and Chapter 2 Season 8 of what would be no doubt a very, very popular battle pass skin. If there was any character in the world I could put in a battle pass, it would be something either Pokemon or Mario related. Look, I'm not saying I always predict the future of Fortnite, but I have predicted a lot of things in Fortnite somehow, and if that happens, I will be so happy. But the predictions into the future do not end there. As we take a look at the end of this season and then leading into Season 8, the cube will return at the end of Season 7, controlled by an unknown queen that will play a big part in Chapter 3. We're going beyond Season 8, beyond Season 9, beyond Season X, and into Chapter 3 with this information. The cube played a significant role in the Chapter 1 map and the way that the map changed and evolved throughout the seasons, and I've been saying for seasons and seasons now that we should be getting the cube in Chapter 2, and these leaks seem to suggest that it will happen, and I believe them with everything that's lined up so far. I would not be surprised if, going back to the Rift Tour event, we could see a lot of cool things happening that could potentially bring the cube to the Fortnite island, even bring Superman himself to the island, because the Rift Tour event is happening a week before Superman is meant to arrive, and we still need a really cool way that he turns onto the Fortnite map, and I think the Rift Tour event would be a perfect way of doing that. And the leaks continue into Chapter 3. Chapter 3 will redesign the map completely. Now, this isn't groundbreaking. I'd say anyone could predict this. The jump between the Chapter 1 map and the Chapter 2 map was huge. It was a new island. Now, although the evolution of a Chapter 2 map has been very slow, unfortunately, and I hope that whatever the Chapter 3 map does, it's bigger and better and even more crazy stuff happens to the map itself. It's good to know that we're not just going to get Chapter 2 V2 for a new map. There's some incredible concepts out there about how all of the Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 parts of the map can be merged together, and to see something like that for Chapter 3, whew, that'd be incredible. The location of the 7 will be revealed in Chapter 3. We don't even know who all of the 7 are, and if their location is going to be revealed, that must mean they have a single localized base that all of the 7 work in and collate together in. We've seen a few of the 7 so far. The most recent time we've seen the Foundation, he fell into the ocean. So we don't even know where he is or if he's alive. I presume he's okay, because to lose one of the 7 would be absolute chaos. And we know how important these guys are to the whole story of Fortnite and keeping the balance of everything that is the world of Fortnite. I think we're definitely due the reveal of one of the 7 members. So maybe that'll happen in the next season, or maybe even moving into Chapter 3, we'll see all of the 7 characters revealed together. Next up, Season 8 will include something called the Sideways, similar to Stranger Things, where monsters will come into the game. Now, this also ties back to the Rift Tour event. There is speculation that potentially the Sideways portals could be revealed in the live Rift event, and we could have even seen an early glimpse of them right now through one of the very first unlocks you get through these Rift challenges. This is the Riftster piece, and as you can see, it's got a weird design to it, almost as if it's infecting the wall and creating some sort of portal way between our universe and another. Is this our very first official look at the Sideways before us actually knowing that it officially is the Sideways? Well, apart from all of us watching the video right now, we could potentially know exactly what it is. Keep an eye on this, and keep an eye on it potentially being in the live event, and maybe if you look through it, we'll see some monsters that will be coming next season. Also, rideable monsters / mechs will come to the island at some point. This makes a lot of logical sense. The introduction of animals and the continued introduction of animals on the Fortnite island is awesome. It makes it more real. It's so cool to see them. The drops they give are great as well. But there's one thing missing. The ability to jump on the back of a dinosaur or a boar or a chicken, well, maybe not a chicken, we'd probably break its back, and ride around and use it as a vehicle. It says mechs in here as well. Please, for the love of everything Fortnite, do not return the mechs from Chapter X. I'll do anything to not see those guys again. But the ability to ride would be an awesome feature that I cannot wait to come to the game. So guys, that's a big look into the future of Fortnite, and with everything they've said so far being accurate, I'd be confident to say say that everything else that they've said in this list that we've covered in this video will also be happening very soon. Don't forget to get your free Allier phone background. Head on over to allier.shop right now. I'll link it in the description to download it. Don't miss out. I hope you enjoyed the video. More on screen here. Click another one to keep on watching. I'll see you over there.